Hi, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to learn Chinese fast and easy? If you do, stay tuned. In these lessons, I will use a strategy that combines with speaking, listening, reading, and writing Chinese characters. And I also use sentences and 成语 to guide you guys to learn Chinese. If possible, I will use pictures to help you understand easily and remember tough. Okay, let's have fun now. I usually go over with homework from last video, and this is a homework. Okay, and 这是第28句话。20, let's see, this is 20. So 28句话 sometimes we call 的话 okay, and this is our 成语。日 is a sun. 月 is a moon. 吃完穿 is pass through. 缩 is shadow. Okay, this 成语 tells us that time flies like a shadow. I made a sentence from this 成语, okay? 日月穿梭. Okay, this is a phrase. So, 转 is ui, like, okay? 言 is I. Okay, 一安言 is I. So, 一转眼 means in a blank of an eye. It's like this. Okay, this is 转. 我 is I. 就 is then. 大 学 大学 is university. 毕业 了 usually is past tense. So 大学毕业 means graduate from university. Okay, so 日月穿梭一转眼 okay, 一转眼我就大学毕业了。Hey guys, new lessons. Okay, we have 第29 20, this is 20 29句话 Okay, sentence for 靠的话 and we have one new 成语 Okay, 隔岸观烟思四鸡安见 I give you two clues. Okay, first one is 光 is light and the last one 见 is arrow. So you can find out these two words. What's the meaning? Okay guys, let's practice our 成语。光阴似箭，光 is light. 阴似箭。Okay, let's study our sentence. 日窝若失是若是那一你的你的 you 一安言 Remember we learned from the homework. 言 I made a sentence. It's 言 This is you 言 I. Okay. 右言鸡嗷叫那一你叫你的耶爹的凹倒跌倒鸡又救乌安湾吃不出乐哀来弯出来的悠丢的要掉丢掉那因宁可宁可失其余去失去不哀白特一体白体之翁中的的一特一体一体不鸡嗷叫不叫其无安全是恩身全身的忧丢自哀在的一地一无欲乐一里地狱里若是你的右眼叫你跌倒就弯出来丢掉宁可失去白体中的一体也不叫全身丢在地狱里。Hey guys, let's practice our Chinese, okay? 若是 你的，右眼，也，叫，你，跌倒，就，弯出来，弯，出，丢掉，宁可，失去，白体，中的，一体，不叫，全身，丢，在，地狱里，地，狱，homework, okay? Homework we call 家庭作业。家庭作业 it will help you to get this language, okay? Download a translator. Translate each single word. If I'm on the line, you can check them as phrases. So that way will make you learn even faster. Write 2 times and read 30 times. And this way will help you to speak fluently. 就像我 okay? Watch an episode of Chinese TV series every day. Okay, this is very, very important too. Because if you don't have the language environment, then you need it. Okay, I have 2 here. First one is called 还珠格格. Second one is called 神雕侠侣. Both are very fun, entertainment, and both are maintain a lot of 成语. Actually, we speak 成语 all the time. 成语 is really a treasure for you. Like you can learn more deeply in Chinese culture. Alright, I hope you guys have fun with your homework and give me thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss my new videos. Alright, I will see you next Friday.